lot of cell formatting options available within Microsoft Excel. The shortcut to opening up formatting options in Excel is Control plus 1. So holding Control and then hitting 1. The way I like to remember the shortcut is by just remembering that formatting comes first. Most shortcuts in Excel require you to press and hold the Control key, and therefore there aren't many that you'll use that will require a number to be pressed, so this one should be easy to remember. Once we have the formatting options open, we can select from a number of options. Let's go through some of these in a little bit more detail. Let's start with number formatting on cell M2. Clicking Control and 1 opens up the formatting options. Let's say we want to remove the $sign and use 2 decimal places. To do this, we would change the category to number and change the decimal places to 2. We can also remove the comma and the number if we want to do that, and then just click OK. Date formatting options are important in Excel as well. Let's take a look at some of those. If we click on cell A2, we can see that it shows a preview date of 02-Jan-20. That is day, month, year. But if we open up the format cells using Control plus 1, we can change this to various other date formats based on your preferences. We would then just select whatever date format we want to use and then click OK. Keep in mind that we can highlight the entire column of data and apply these formatting changes to the entire column. But for this example, we just used one cell.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.